How to fix Suit for Hire is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library section and then click on the game on your library and then go to Properties, Installed Files, and click on Verify the Integrity of Game Files, and then just wait for it to finish verifying. And once it's done, you want to click on the Browse button and then click on the game's exe, right click on it and go to Properties, Compatibility tab, and then make sure both of these options right here are checked, and then click on the Apply button and close this window. Now you want to go to the General section and try to change the DirectX version to DirectX 11 by typing -dx11 in the launch options. Now you can close this and launch the game again to see if that solves the problem. And if for some reason the problem still persists, what you want to do is shut down Steam completely. So you want to open Task Manager, and from here look for Steam and shut it down completely. You can also do this from the taskbar below by clicking on the arrow, right click on Steam logo and press exit. Then you want to open up your GPU application. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to install this NVIDIA app. Go to drivers section and from here check for updates and download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Once you install that, you will need to restart your system and then try to launch the game again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.